Your website looks polished. Your content on point. So why isn't anyone visiting? Here's the truth. Google's not just watching what you say, it's watching who else is talking about you. In this video, we're diving into the off-page SEO checklist. 4 powerful strategies that work behind the scenes to earn trust, boost rankings, and attract real traffic. Imagine your website as a superstar, stuck in a locked room. On-page SEO is the talent. But off-page SEO, that's the microphone, the stage, and the audience. While on-page SEO deals with content and structure on your website, off-page SEO refers to actions taken outside your website to improve your search rankings, and it's often overlooked. Imagine every backlink as a recommendation letter. When high-authority sites link to you, Google takes notice. Not all links are equal. One link from a respected source beats dozens of weak ones. So how do you get them? Publish share-worthy content, collaborate with experts, and don't be afraid to reach out. Think social platforms don't affect SEO? Think again. When your content spreads across X, LinkedIn, and Instagram, it generates traffic, engagement, and sometimes backlinks. It also shows Google that people are talking about you. You can't just drop a blog and vanish. Join conversations in forums, groups, or even subreddits tied to your niche. Answer questions. Offer value. This positions you as a thought leader and often gets people linking back to your site organically. People might be mentioning your brand, but not linking to it. That's a missed opportunity. Use tools like Google Alerts or Mention to find where your name pops up, then kindly request a backlink. You're not asking for a favor. You're making the web more useful. Off-page SEO isn't flashy. It doesn't live on your homepage, but it's the invisible engine that builds trust, authority, and staying power on Google. If on-page SEO makes your site look good, off-page SEO makes it credible. Check out Bluehost for expert WordPress hosting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more website and hosting tips.